Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you something really cool. It's a new projector. It's really popular on YouTube. If you search for it, you'll find a lot of videos. And this is actually really cheap and it's supposed to be really good for the value. So we're gonna have a look at it today. If you haven't been here before, my name is Adrian. I do videos on different cameras, accessories, and I do a lot of unboxing videos. And feel free to subscribe if you want to watch more. Alright, so I already did an unboxing on this one, if you want to watch that, to see what it comes with. Here's the projector. It's really nice, it's small and portable. And what I like is that it has the 1/4 inch thread mount, so you can mount this on a tripod if you want. And it has this little foot, I guess, that you can unscrew to kind of raise the projector if you want to raise the image. So let's have a look at this one. Alright, so one of the first things that I did was to plug it into power right now. And let's actually turn it on. So I'm just gonna press power. Oh, and there it is. So the fan is right here to the side. I'm gonna put it up next to the microphone. Interesting. So it's not as loud as I thought it would be. I'm gonna test it out later in the evening when it's darker in the room so we can see the picture. Alright, so it is now night time and I'm back. I'm gonna do a quick test to show you what it looks like. I've already set it up on my light stand actually, right there. And that works great because I have the 1/4 inch thread mount on that and you don't need to adjust it up and down or to change anything. So I'm not actually gonna use the keystone correction. As far as the noise, I'm gonna get closer with the mic so you can hear what it sounds like. So what I like so far is that it has the USB port and I've just plugged in my external SSD drive, so I'm gonna play something off of that, so that's really handy. And one thing that I don't like, the power cord is kind of short, so I'm actually using a power strip right now, but I did order a longer power cord, so I'm gonna use that in the future. So next I'm gonna switch to show you what the image looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's going to be interesting to see how it translates to the camera. And it's funny because my camera is doing the face tracking and eye tracking right now. Okay, so you can see a little bit of that effect with those lights, with those lines, that moire effect, I guess it's called. And I'm gonna move the camera a little bit closer. It's actually, you can see each and every pixel basically. Okay, so this is pretty much about 20 inches from the wall.
Now I know you don't drink, but everybody drinks Prosecco.
So the volume is actually great. This is at half, probably 50, yeah. It's quite loud.
Before law school starts up again, we were hoping she could finally have that talk with Helen about Oxford.
It's actually loud enough that you don't need anything else. And since you're gonna be behind the projector anyway, it's great that it's facing the other way, basically away from the screen. That makes sense. So now I'm behind the screen, behind the projector, and I'm gonna increase the volume a little bit.
You do that and let me know. Pronto.
Okay, so I wanted to show you the interface a little bit. It's super basic. When you turn on the projector, it comes up with this basic menu, and I've only got video files right now. That's how I was playing the movies. And then there is one other thing with the settings. So if you press the menu button, it takes you to this, and then you can go through these options. So you got the picture settings, and then sound settings, Oh, surround sound, that's interesting. And then sleep timer, and then system settings. All right, so overall I think this is a great choice if you just want something basic that does the job, and it's actually great for the price. I mean, especially considering the price. And I'm not sure if I like it because a lot of people like it, or if I really like it, but I think I do like it because when I think back to the first one that I tried, the Philips one that was full HD, I was really not happy with that one. It looked very weird. Maybe I'm just used to the image being pixelated, or I'm not used to a high resolution one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and let me know what you guys think. Is this a good choice? Yes? No? Anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.